Hello, this is Sharif, or Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing, an unboxing and first impressions of this Modelones Nail Gel Extension Builder Enhancement Kit. This is on the back. It says it's a poly gel nail kit, so we know what that is. Here is this down here. This was sent to me for review, so I'm excited about this. It tells you about prepping your nails using a suitable size and shape on nail tip. It tells you how to apply the thin layer, curing 2 minutes UV, 45 to 60 seconds LED. Gives you all your directions. You notice it's keep out of reach of sunshine. Children, keep sealed tightly. Which we all know that, right, ladies? And here we go. Whoa. Remove some things here. Okay, so here we go. Here's what's in the kit. We have our Modelones card. Okay, gotta keep that so you can clean the tips. Those will always be useful. Instruction manual. Do we need this? We sure do, because it's been a while since I played with these. A minute. So here's all your directions that you're gonna need. So we'll be needing those when we do that. Here are your forms. And 12 different sizes, alright, let me see these here. So as you can see, there are the lines, so you can mark how long you want the length of your nail. Oh wow, I got some big thumbs. I got some big fingers. That'd be like claws on me. Maybe to like right there. That'd be cool. So there are 6 different colors. Pure white, soft pink, light apricot, nude, and your looky. Temperature changing poly gel. I think this might be the one we play with. I'm not sure. You've got your Modelones file 100/180 grit and your brush. Let's check this out. So what? Oh boy. One is you got your brush, which I don't know, that's kind of small. It's probably like 4. I don't know if it tells on here. Brush and picker. So let me see. Yeah, it does not tell you what size brush. And here's your spatula, of course. That's what I call it, at least. So that's what we'll use when we test. So we can test out their brush. And you get your base coat and top coat. And looky. We have got poly nail gel, which is with your slip solution. This is cool. If you don't have this, you could use what did I use before? Alcohol? Straight alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so in here you've got, really pretty blue glitter. Beautiful. And oh wow. Let's see if I can get this open. We got some gems, really pretty purple gems. Oh, a couple different shapes too. Get your purple teardrop. and your clear circle. All these will be cool to play with. I can't wait. So here with our unboxing first impressions, this looks like a great kit. Very excited to play with it. Sad part is we're not playing with it today. This is just an unboxing of first impressions. Our swatching, getting into it, playing with it's going to come at a later date. Me and Princess Nails by Diana, Princess D, we are going to be doing a collaboration with this said kit. She's got the same thing. So in the next week and a half, hopefully no longer than that, we are going to be doing a collaboration video. Please keep your eyes out for that. I'm very excited to be doing that with her. She's my sis, and greatly excited about that. We've done collaborations as far as like the glitter collaboration, but never just her and I together. So I'm excited about that. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is a great kit to buy. Check it out. Everything you need is included except your paper towel. What more could you want? You can't have them send you that too, can you? So this is a great kit to buy. Very excited about it. These I have great products. I only wish instead of maybe this is a 7-piece collection where they included the clear. I would love a clear poly gel. I don't have one. So yeah. So here we are today. This was it. This is our unboxing and first impressions. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have this kit, if you've tried Modelones Poly Gel before. So yeah. Please click the like button. Please share my video. Have your eyes peeled out for. Go look for my 2-year announcement anniversary video. I am having a giveaway. So go check that out. There will be one U.S. winner. Sorry, International, but this is sponsored and some of it's coming out of my pocket. And so yeah, with shipping, we're going to have to stick with the U.S. right now. If I can swing it, I may do a PayPal at a later date in the month or next month for international. Purely international only. Probably next month in August. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. Please click the bell so you get notified. Click all because you get 3 options now when you click the bell. Please click all so you get notified of all my videos. Please thank you. Please and thank you. Have a blessed day.